I've scrolled through YouTube for hours analyzing hundreds of viral thumbnails, and I noticed that 12 specific thumbnail formats were repeating over and over again across every single niche. In this video, we're going to break down every single format, look at visual examples, and most importantly, understand the psychology behind why they work. Do not skip any part of this video, because even a 1% increase in your click-through rate, CTR, can be the deciding factor between getting 100 views or 100,000 views. So instead of making a random thumbnail for your next video, use a proven format that will definitely get you more clicks. Starting with format number 1, the 3-panel collage. In this format, the thumbnail canvas is divided vertically into 3 panels paired with centralized text. For example, in the video, The Perfect Morning Habits Backed by Science, you can see the thumbnail is divided into 3 vertical panels, and each panel uses a different image related to the topic: exercise, showering, and working. Then we have another example: Day in the Life of a CEO. Here, the creator used photos of himself working out, giving a speech, and traveling. And of course, the central text, $100 million CEO, makes the thumbnail even more clickable. The reason this works is that you can communicate multiple ideas without overcrowding the image, giving you multiple opportunities to grab a viewer's attention. Let's talk about format number 2, the UI interface. This is a highly popular format where you show the user interface of a social media app or website. For example, Ali Abdal's video shows a LinkedIn notification card, Think Media uses a Twitter post UI, and Ryan Trahan uses an Instagram DM screenshot. Basically, anything that looks like a familiar interface fits this category. If you write the same text normally on a screen, it won't look as powerful, but pairing it with a popular app's interface builds instant subconscious trust because our brains are already familiar with them. Moving on to format number 3, prime text. This is an interesting format where the text is the most crucial element of the thumbnail for creating curiosity. For example, why it sucks to be born as a brown bear. The image of the bear is super simple, but the text, horrible life, combined with the title, creates instant intrigue. Another example is a simple photo of a creator with the text, Don't Edit, which makes viewers wonder what the editing style is. In these thumbnails, if you remove the text, the remaining elements wouldn't generate any curiosity on their own. The text creates a story with the title, making it highly clickable. Now you have learnt these 3 formats, but the next 9 format will come in our upcoming videos.